Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well, with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Trendiest Mesmerizing, and today I show you in this video very attractive and beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women, many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in low maintenance. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and the latest type of cut, and eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas, funky colors, and so attractive collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and many much more stylish ideas, latest collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.